In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become anonymous online using Nordvpn. In a world where digital privacy is more important than ever, taking steps to protect your online identity is crucial. So, let's dive into the secure world of virtual private networks. First off, what is a VPN, or virtual private network, you might wonder? Essentially, a VPN is a service that creates a secure and private connection over the internet. Today we're focusing on NordVPN as it's widely recognized for its ability to enhance your online privacy. By using NordVPN, you hide your real IP address and encrypt your internet traffic, making it extremely difficult for anyone to track or spy on your online activities. Now, why is that important? Well, your IP address is like your digital home address. It reveals your geographical location and the devices you're using, which is why hiding it can be very beneficial. With NordVPN, your real IP address is masked, allowing your online presence to blend into anonymity. This means even if someone tries to trace your IP address, they'll only see the IP address of the VPN server you've connected to, not your actual one. Another great advantage of using NordVPN is its ability to block your ISP, Internet Service Provider, and trackers from spying on you. ISPs often monitor your internet use, which can be concerning if you're keen on maintaining privacy. Similarly, online trackers accumulate data about your browsing habits, but with NordVPN you get to put an end to this unwanted scrutiny. Public Wi-Fi can often be a hotspot for hackers and cybercriminals. When you connect to a public Wi-Fi network, your data can be vulnerable to interception. NordVPN helps secure your connection, providing you with a strong layer of protection against potential threats when browsing on public networks. This means you can enjoy the convenience of public Wi-Fi without the risk of compromising your personal information. So how do you get started with NordVPN? It's simple. First, you'll need to get NordVPN if you haven't already. Once that's done, turning it on and selecting a server location are all it takes to achieve instant digital invisibility. By connecting to one of the servers, you've transformed your connection into a private and secure one, effectively safeguarding your online activities. In conclusion, gaining anonymity online is a vital step towards protecting yourself in the digital realm. With NordVPN, you'll not only hide your location and prevent tracking, but also secure your data when using public Wi-Fi. So as you embrace the freedom of surfing safely under the radar, remember that this small step can make a massive difference in maintaining your online privacy. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you now feel empowered to navigate the internet more securely. Stay safe and enjoy your newfound anonymity.